Good morning, dear children. Welcome to your EVS class. Children, take out page number 83. Page number 83, chapter 16, Earth and Sky. Children, in previous class we have done this chapter 15. Today we will do page 83, chapter 16, Earth and Sky. So take out your pencil also, everyone, and pay attention and listen carefully, okay? The earth is our home. It is round like an orange. It is made up of land and water. So children, you can see this image. This is earth. Okay, this is earth. Okay, it is our home. Okay, it is our home. Earth is our home where we all live. Okay, where we all live. It is round in shape. You have seen the image right now? Yes, it is round in shape. Okay, like orange. Have you seen orange which you eat? Yeah, in Hindi it is called santara. Yes, children, earth is also shaped like orange. Okay, earth is made up of land and water. Okay, earth is made up of land. In earth we live on land. Okay, now see, we live on land along with many plants and animals. Fish, whales, tortoise and other animals along with some plants live in water. So children, in earth we live on land, okay, along with plants and animals. Whereas in water animals live, for example, fish, whales, tortoise and other animals, and some water plants also live in water. Okay, जमीन में कौन रहता है? लैंड मीन्स जमीन. ओके, उसमें कौन रहता है? इंसान और प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स रहते हैं, कुछ एनिमल्स. और वाटर में कौन रहता है? सम प्लांट्स रहते हैं, छोटे छोटे प्लांट्स रहते हैं जो वाटर प्लांट्स कहलाते हैं. एंड सम एनिमल्स लिव इन वाटर. नाउ लेट अस नो अबाउट land and water. Land has many shapes and forms. It can be flat or raised. Underline flat, raised. A flat land is called a plain. Underline plain. A raised land is called a hill. A high hill is called a mountain. Underline mountain. Done. Now children, land has many shapes. Okay. For example, say these are the lands. Okay. Hills, mountains, plains, deserts, valley, plateau. These are lands form. Okay. These are land forms. So children, lands are in different shapes. Some lands are flat, okay, and some are hills or mountains. Okay, children, flat land is called a plains. Flat land is called a plain. For example, you can see in this image, this is plain, मतलब flat land जहाँ हम चल सकते हैं. Okay, where we can build houses, where we can grow crops. This is called the flat land. Flat land is called a plain, and raised land is called a hill. Okay, you can see in this picture the high is called a mountain. This high hills are called mountains. So this is the hills. Okay, these are the mountains. Okay, this is not the flat land. I have shown you the picture of flat land. So there are many different shapes and forms of land. Now we will know about water. Water on earth is found in oceans, seas, lakes, rivers, ponds, springs, streams, and waterfalls. In cold areas, water is found in the form of snow and ice. Children, underline springs, streams. Done. So children, on earth water can found in oceans, seas, lakes, rivers, ponds, springs, streams, and waterfall. These are the sources of water. Okay, these are the sources of water. In the previous class I have taught you now what are the sources of water. Yes, these are the sources of water. Okay, children, in cold areas we can find water in the form of snow and ice. Means ठंडी जगह पे हम वाटर को कैसे देख सकते हैं? स्नो एंड आइस फॉर्म में. ओके, स्नो विच फॉल्स फ्रॉम द स्काई इन कोल्ड एरियाज. ओके, स्नो विच फॉल फ्रॉम द स्काई इन cold areas and ice. Okay, now turn out page number 84. Page number 84. Now we will learn about sky and only sky. What do we see when we look up? So children, when we look our head, look our eyes up, what we can see? We can see sky. जब हम अपना मुंडी ऊपर करते क्या देख सकते हैं हम? Yes, we can see sky. Okay, the big open space above us is called a sky. Okay, the big open space above us is called the sky. It appears blue in the morning. We see the sun and clouds in the sky during the day. The sun gives light to the earth. When the sun sets, it becomes night. The sky appears black in the night. We see stars and the moons in the night sky. Yes, children. So children, we can see sky. Okay, up. When we look up, we can see sky. Okay, the big open space above us is called sky. Okay, when it is morning, see, you can see the image. When it is morning, the sky color is blue in color, and when it is at night, the sky color is black in color. And in the morning we can see clouds and sun. Clouds and sun. Clouds are in white in color. Okay, we can see them in morning, whereas at night the sky color is black and we can see stars and moon. What we can see? We can see stars and moon at night. So children, here your chapter ends. I hope you all have understood. If any doubt comes, you can ask me on my personal video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Today's your homework is read this chapter again.